Okay, we're on our way to Wawomudha. I don't know what this is. I got surprised by this walk, but yeah, I'm here with my guide today, Franciscus. Frank. So yeah, this is part of the walk. Here we go. Even in Indonesia, you have your conspiracy theorists. Just down there is like, yeah, you can see it. Death from above. Chemtrails. Death from above. I swear we're in a eucalyptus forest in Australia. But here we go. This is the view of the valley around us. We've been walking up some of these roads, well, on the ridge. Yeah. Where are we? I saw something. Oh, there. Just hit a viewpoint here. Beautiful quarry just here. And surrounding villages. Yeah. Onwards and upwards. This is our trail. Highest point so far. Nothing challenging. This looks like it was formerly the same trail, but it's broken in half. So I misunderstood. I thought this was a quarry, but it's actually a volcano crater. And although it's a short climb down so far, that's where we came from, just up there. It's quite flat across there. Seems like we're going down here. Yeah, so maybe we get to the crater down the bottom. So again, I thought this was a quarry, but Frank here, Franciscus, he tells me that this west side, he tells me that this is all from lava flow. So the last eruption was in 2008. So we're actually inside the crater. I've never seen mud in a crater. I don't know what this stuff is, but yeah. Interesting. Here's a thought. This is volcanic ash, and it's eroded from down the hill, and this is the result. This is interesting. We keep going down here. So I think the erosion, you can see the layers of erosion in that, and also that right there is, yeah, the mostly, well, there's eucalyptus and casuarina have colonized it. This is so cool. We're going deeper and deeper into the volcano. As a budding volcanologist, I just don't understand this. There is absolutely no lava that, like I saw in Galapagos last year or in Kilauea the other year. This is just ash and pumice. Yeah, it's just really bizarre. It's trying to cloud us out. There's probably a view down below, but yeah, it's been difficult, the weather lately. This is our last walk down into the lowest part of the crater that we can go. Just full of erosion rubble here. Look at it. Here we are at the lowest point that I can see anyway. This is only getting filled by this erosion hole here. There's a cave going to the other side, to the other crater. Someday this will break and start feeling this more. But this is the complete lowest point here in interesting, the different layers. So yes, it's still an active volcano. This is interesting. This tree is totally encased in this volcanic flow here. I don't know what this is, but all of this is solid, so it doesn't seem like it's from erosion, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, interesting. And here's another part of the tree. We were just down there, and I've been explained that we're going up this way here, across this part, and up to there where we were before on the corner. Yeah, we've come from down there and done a complete circuit around the rim here. Along this, we continue along this way to the top of the hill there. Pretty cruisy. Usually at the same altitude. I'm not an expert, but I swear these are hops. I've rarely seen the things, but looks like pictures of them. Just growing wild here. Now we see a lot better where I've come from and where I've gone. Getting near the end of my walk. This is the town I'm staying in, Bajawa. But yeah, the clouds are starting to close in again. So usually in the afternoon they start to get worse lately.